So today we're going to discuss the difference between bad fats and the good fats. And sa subong kita yung mga fast food sa Iloilo are increasing, no? Latest because the Ilonggo is now improving. So so who wants to know to learn the difference between the bad fats and the good fats? Okay. So don't you know nga ano ginagamit niyo mantika sa balay niyo?
Vegetable oil.
Okay, others are
Palm oil.
palm oil. So in there, no, makita natin nga ang usually ang the fast food because of the fast food, so maano siya mura lang, barato. So difference ang they will not use the olive oil, they will not use the canola oil to do the it's fast food. So dyan din makita natin because it's all business starting sa aton nga pagkaon. So ang difference is number one, we have the two kinds of bad fats, no? The saturated and the trans fat. And another way is the good fat is the monounsaturated and the polyunsaturated fats.